Welcome to the show. Today we're diving into unlocking $4,500 a month with some really cool Shopify secrets. Let's talk niche products. It's like finding that perfect eco-friendly gadget, you know?
Yeah, exactly. So, what's the deal with niche products? How do they set you up for success?
Well, the idea is to pick a product that solves a very specific problem, like personalized pet gear. And then use Shopify's niche analyzer to find those low competition, high demand items.
Right, I like that targeted approach. And when it comes to boosting conversions, what are we looking at?
You know, one of the key tactics is using scarcity techniques. Think limited time offers with countdown timers, which creates a real sense of urgency.
Yep, urgency really pushes people to act. That's interesting. How about cutting down on those crazy advertising costs?
Oh, great point. By leveraging Shopify's Facebook Shop integration, you can use custom audiences with pixel tracking. This lets you retarget cart abandoners, so your ads actually hit the mark with hyper-targeted, cost-effective campaigns.
Definitely smart. Now, I've heard there's a secret about speeding up your store too. What's that all about?
Absolutely. Speed is crucial. So use Shopify's free compress images feature along with a lightweight theme like Debutify. It helps boost SEO and reduces bounce rates.
Exactly, fast sites keep customers hooked. And what about building trust with customers? It seems like video testimonials are really the secret sauce.
You got it. Adding real customer video testimonials right on your product pages is a major trust signal. It's like, people prefer seeing authentic experiences over just written reviews, right?
For sure, authenticity sells. Here's a thought. What if upselling seems pushy? How do you avoid that pitfall?
Well, that's where Shopify's recommended products app comes in handy. It subtly suggests complementary items during checkout, kind of like offering socks with shoes, without being, too intrusive.
I can see that working well, though sometimes I worry it might come off too cookie cutter, right?
That's a fair challenge. It really comes down to balance, providing useful suggestions without overwhelming the shopper, which is why testing is key.
Agreed, nuance makes all the difference. And for shipping secrets? I heard you can negotiate private rates for big savings.
Exactly. With Shopify shipping, you can get discounts up to 88% off on USPS and UPS, which is often overlooked. It's like unearthing hidden treasure in your shipping costs.
Absolutely, every bit helps boost the bottom line. Now, for email marketing, what are some smart moves?
Automation is your friend here. Using Shopify email to set up abandoned cart emails with a secret 10% off code adds a nudge for the hesitant customer.
Right on, incentives really drive conversions. And the ultimate tip, the secret to reaching that $4,500 mark, is to combine all these hacks along with reinvesting profits, isn't it?
Exactly, it's a cumulative approach. Invest a modest ad budget of around $100-$200 monthly, scale gradually, and keep refining your strategy with tools like Shopify Collabs for influencer marketing and dropshipping integrations to test products.
Sounds like a solid blueprint to me. Thanks for breaking that down. These tactics, from finding the niche to automating email marketing, really paint a clear picture of how to unlock consistent monthly earnings with Shopify.
Yep, it's all about smart strategic tweaks. Implement these ideas, and you'll definitely be on track to that $4,500 monthly goal.